Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round, drawing your forehead towards your knee. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your shoulders down, away from your ears, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, spine, hips, and legs. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, draw your left knee in towards your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round, drawing your forehead towards your knee. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and return to center. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Keep your right leg where it is, and use your left hand to draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip, thigh, and spine. Unwind and return to center, repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase the stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Keep your left leg where it is. Use your right hand to draw your left leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.